NDPP কান্তপৰা পলিণ্ড বুথ কেপ্চাৰ কৰিবলৈ কোচিছ কৰি আছে কৈ কিনে নাগালেণ্ড প্ৰদেশ কংগ্ৰেছ কমিটিৰ পৰা ইনজাম লগাকে NDPP পৰা সাফ মানা কৰিছে। Chief Minister Nefi Rioto Naga Mano Laga Fate or Naga Identity Kone Kara Nakure Kuikina Rising People's Party Chief Joel Nagapra Rio Upper Inzam Lagaisha Congress Party the political party para allegation party hui jaya se Kuikina BJP National Spokesperson Mong Lumo Kikont Prakuisha Electoral bond to dunia laga sabse dangor extortion scheme ase kuikina Congress leader Rahul Gandhi prakwisha. Hello viewers, swagat korese NLTV News now de. Moi ashinela tatamai IB sawo ajlaga khobor. NDPP Kantpura polling booth capture kurbole kushish kuri ase kuikina Congress para inzam lagake NDPP para साफ मना कुरिशा कांग्रेस लगा इंजाम के बेसलेस माटी के ना पार्टी para कुइशे के इतु कंप्लेंट इकु मैरिज नहोइले भी बेसिस नाइ इतु एलिगेशंस के प्रूफ कुरुबले सपोर्ट दिबले NDPP para माउंट कुरिशे और कांग्रेस के कुशे के कॉन्क्रीट एविडेंस नथाकिले माफी मांगिबो इतु लगत इलेक्टोरेट्स कांट भी इनका मिसा कुथा के ना मानी बोले NDPP para अनुरोध कुरिशा BJP National Spokesperson Mong Lumo Kikontpra Wednesday दिन कोइशे की कांग्रेस पार्टी तो एलिगेशन पार्टी हुईशा कांग्रेस तो 2 साल रूलिंग ते थाकिशे किंतु इदु काउंट कुरा नाइ कोइ किना की कांग्रेस कांग्रेस ऊपर इंजाम लगाइছে कांग्रेस तो एग्रीमेंट कान साइन करबले इकु भाबिना नाइ आरो अनकम्फर्टेबल मामला कान ऊपर कितियाबे कथा कुरा नाइ कुशा
Candidate will win with a thumping majority. I'm really disappointed with the Congress party that they've been reduced to a party of allegations. You know, if you look at the time they were in power, UPA was here for 10 years. They didn't do anything. Any negotiation that happened was conducted just to waste time and postpone it to another time. They didn't have any real agenda. But when Vajpayee was Prime Minister for 6 years, he declared the uniqueness of Naga history, which is very important for the Naga groups. So you have to have some framework to discuss. So all the positions and frameworks that should be the basis of discussion have been signed. So that's something which the BJP has done. The Congress did not think of signing any agreement or having any discussion on the uncomfortable issues. I think it's an insult to the Constitution of India, because if they know what Article 621A is, they should know that our Prime Minister's commitment to the Constitution of India. He said, "It's my article. Constitution of India is my article of faith." There is no way we are going to do that, and that is I don't know where they have got it. It's a comment I have heard from Jairam Ramesh in Mizoram during the assembly election, where he just randomly said that BJP is going to. So they are used to now the level of fear mongering. There is no evidence. No BJP leader has said that, and we will not say that.
Chief Minister Nefi Rioto Naga Mono Laga Fate or Naga Identity Kone Kara Nakure Kuikina Rising People's Party Chief Joel Naga Pratus in Kuisha Supermarket Congress Party Laga Rally Address Gura Homoy Joel Pra Itukota Kuisha Desh Christian Manu Count Upper Bia Kam Tua Khilaf Rio Pra Itiabi Awas Patana Kuikina Joel Pra CM Upper Inzam Lagaisha
Just compare this with JB Nada's rally at Agri Expo. 5 June manwa aise aro Nada la face dikha nai. Agri Expo de koise wagala deputy CM TR Zilema koise. Are Congress aro RPP itu khan bra moange harao paribu kwa. That's what he said. It's an open challenge. 60 MLA laga thaga manukhan. PDA government, what are they doing? Tahan ide boy lagi ase to. They are afraid of people's power. Paisa bhega shuru hoise. We don't have money, but we have the people with us. Idia Nagaland context is saishe goli do. The battle is between the RSS and the Naga people. We cannot let them win at any cost. We have to go to our respective villages, to our polling booths, and we have to vote. They want to turn this country into a Hindu nation. For so many years, we have enjoyed the fruits of the Constitution of India. The change will start from here. India the change change to India shuru kurubo lage. This is a prayer, this is a wish. Aru moiha laga Mangala Chief Minister Rio ki kushe. Ta hajibi paper kushe. There is no persecution of Christians. Ta haji paper kushi do. Aur ta ki kushe kale porso. NDPP stands for Protection of Naga Faith and Identity kushe. Misas hai. Kote pai Naga Faith and Identity protect kushe. Mr. Rio. Amit Shah pra kushe Naga India de beef ban kurubo kushe. PDI government hala kurishe Quranai. This is a wake-up call for all of us. In fact, this is a golden opportunity for Nagas to fight for our rights, to stand for our rights. Evangelical Churches Society of India, tagana funding bong gurina ase. The Catholic Churches of India, tagana funding bong gurina ase. And do you believe in Mr. Rio? When he says that Christians are not persecuted, he hasn't raised even a single voice against this draconian laws. And what is he talking about? Taiki kushe. Nagaland tahan 60 MLAs to jama ado. Naga solution anibo kushe. Are 2003 that Chief Minister dakishe. Tade charter pasta faction dakishe. Tala term there, 21 years there. 24 factions we share. That's his Naga solution. Just compare.
Nagaland Pradesh Congress Committee pra 2 INC candidate Dr. Supun Maran Jamir Karne public rally ayojan korise. Supermarket Dimapur de AICC General Secretary Randeep Surjewala to INC candidate Karne star campaigner huikina reality hissa luishe. Surjewala para rally address kura homoy koishe ki nation khas kurikina Nagaland te Bishi Mamla uthi thaka to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Chief Minister Defirio Aro. Taikan laga partners can't responsible ase. Central our state sukar to Naga politics te solution anibule harishe aro itia to ENPO can't be Mamla samna kuriya se koikina. Surjewala para koisha. Jamir para gathering to Kutakura Homoy Pradesh laga Mamla are pending kam kanke pal halt anibule vada kurushe.
अपने का निशिना ही एकला से होले भी अपने अमागा सब मिलेगी ना तो होले किले नागालैंड बनाबो नबारिबो किले अमर लगा जनरेशन की सेव करिबो नबारिबो अमर नागा मानो क्रिश्चियन तो होले 95% गोए believer आरो 5% আমার minority gan asido naga manugan dole tradition custom tadi taga manugan dole 99.9 tradition or custom di taga manu asido 1% dole minority gan asido ami more than 20 lakhs people voice to loi jabo I'll be the person till the last of our goal to be achieved. Ami halaguribo, kodaguribo, aro ami I'll be always with our Naga people, with always with the minorities.
Friends, what is this election about in this country? What are we fighting for? Why is each one of you here? Why is Mr. Rahul Gandhi traversing across the length and breadth of the country, spreading a message of love and compassion, inclusion and inclusivity? That's a question that each young men and women, not only of Nagaland but for the entire country, must ask themselves. We have to save. India is under attack by Modi government today. India's constitutional ethos are under attack by Bharatiya Janata Party and RSS today.
अपने का निशिनाही एकला से बोले भी अपने हमारा सब मिलेगी ना तो बोले
Dimapur via Golaghat Rasta connect kura 51 saal laga overbridge to Bishibia halat ase. Idu nimite NLTV pra Wednesday bridge laga halat upor khobor lobole jaishe. Bridge laga halat to Bishibia de ase aru itu para janta kant korne bishi chinta laga kotha ase. Jodi idu bridge girishe koile sob commercial kam kanto rukhi jabo aru Pradesh laga economy te bi asar hobo. Idodo Dimapur para alag states kan ke connect kura khali ekta railway track ase. Itu nimede concerned department kan ke itu opor jaldi side dibule binti kuri ase.
Of Nagaland, yadi commercial activities laga kari dangor gan raw materials kan phukigina idu bridge pura ahajagori because idu bridge pura Manipur noilibi alag states kan ge connect kure aro truck dangor gan do idu rasta pura ahajagori idu bridge do 26 January 1973 de inaugurate krise aro in 2024 itiadak to dai 51 years huise. Aru idu bridge la condition amigan ekbar saisi gulido yadi bricks aru cement gan idu kan sob phangai jaise aro kari dangor gan jadaim dido amigan bi witness kurna thakibo pare ki idu bridge to bishi hili ase. Concerned authorities ganbura 14 and 15th of April 2023 day for 2 days idu bridge de ahaja bon gorigina investigation jaise. Idu jabishide idu bridge laga danger ro dahan saigina yadi cautious board kan bi likhi dishe aro bridge laga weight limit do ase 28.5 ton aro idu bridge do kili banawo lage noilibi idu bridge to bia hoishiguli do consequences kiki asiguli do the first thing is yadi railway track ase and this is the only railway track that connects Dimapur with all the other states of India noilibi alag state kan sub connect kora laga idu ekta railway track ase idu ekta ase second one is Dimapur ekta commercial hub of our state ase du idu garne rasta bia hoishiguli do amigan for so many months idu commercial activities sob bon koribo lagibo aro idu bra amigan laga business de bishi effect hole ase apni gan bi thika nishna yade bridge laga nishide dukan gan bi ase aro idu laga also di aro in the waiting shed kan bi ase to apni gan thika nishna idu bridge to collapse hoishiguli do idu rasta bon koribo aro idu transportation de bi amigan bishi effect hole ase. To concerned authorities ki bishi tangor ekta request kurli monja ase ki idu bridge to at the earliest ekbar saili phalo bo koina idu bi janai di ase.
Noklak laga women apex body brush share the liquor supply kan check kurado Wednesday din de kushisha. Idu check into Eastern Nagaland Public Emergency Control Room para directive dia hisab de ase. Eastern Nagaland Women's Organization para E&WO laga sub apex tribal bodies ke itu directive ke enforce kurble janai dishe. Tribal jurisdiction te sub gari logot police aru sokari gari can't be check kurble janai she. Kobor hisab itu check in to April 19 tak jabo. Union Public Service Commission pra Tuesday in Civil Service Exam 2023 laga result launch kurishi aru tade Pradesh pra bi charged mono thagishe. Idude NLTV pra 431 All India rank holder Tolino Chishi logot exclusive interview lusha. Idu exam nimide Tolino pra bi kinika tiyari kurishi itu janaishe.
PSC de moi last year November de prelims idu mula first attempt thagishe aro prelims clear kurina mains thagishe this April te thakishe na ki first week te hulewi ki bishi ho jayega na thik babe purulewi na para ho jaise aro thik wa na purina do attempt diole mun na thake ho jaise to means moi nelikhya ho jaise this time da aro ini next UPSC prelims June de thaya do etu karne hi purilo kuina means ne dia ho jaise etu mula second attempt ase yeah second attempt hoi moi 2020 de graduate hoise etu bishi de lockdown ai jaise to ghore thakise aro coaching online coaching karne sign up korise hulewi piche de do idu coaching la material do chari di na standard books han market di ki pai itu han hi purishe aro mostly the standard books and after that a lot of self study Google private bishi purishe YouTube videos han bishi help kurishe to ina ona prepare kurishe hoy aro tests han luise tests ya prelims karne mains karne interview karne mock ina test or mocks han dishe hoy exam to tough to ase syllabus is vast to a certain extent time be limited ase it han aro long hours of study kuro lage it han usual challenges holwe mo karne personally bishi challenging thakya do it nishna exam dhalya do you never know pass hole asna will it happen for you will it not you never know to idu najanya lawi kitewa do bishi anxiety hu jay aro idu anxious feelings han moi college pechite masters be na puri jaise I studied straight for the exam so worry great lawi na like that I'm not even taking a master's am I doing the right thing sometimes do anxiety han mana hai but to tackle the challenges I think prayer support my parents prayed for me they prayed with me my loved ones prayed for me so much and I think anxiety anxious feelings ando it will be help kurishe and love knowledge love learning and I think just wanting to learn wanting to know be dedicated be honest to yourself and if a particular method or a particular resource is not working for you try to find something else because there's so much in the market so much on the internet also NPSC
Tripura Chief Electoral Officer Puneet Agrawal pra press conference te elan kurishi ki ahi daga Lok Sabha chunav te 62 complaints paise idu complaints count mojot 59 te kadam uthaise aro tare 13 sukari officials kan ki temporary suspend kuri dishe koise chunav karne akhri campaign to sham 5 baje para khotom thubo aro idu piche eku rally aro rock show count na thakibo koikina Agrawal pra janaise Electoral bond to dunia laga sabse dangor extortion scheme ase koikina Congress leader Rahul Gandhi pra Wednesday din kuisha Rahul Gandhi pra Ghaziabad te press conference lo homoy itu kotha kuisha itu logot Gandhi pra kuisha ki Prime Minister Narendra Modi to corruption laga champion ase Gandhi pra kuisha ki opposition favor te khara undercurrent ase aro BJP to 543 member Lok Sabha de 150 seats te komti hui jabo Ghaziabad para Ghazipur tak BJP to purapuri hari jabo kuikina Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav pras Wednesday didn't elan kurisha Akhilesh kuishe ki BJP pra ki wada kurishe sob to missa se koikina proof kurishe backward classes Dalits aro minorities kan sob milikina BJP led National Democratic Alliance ke harai dibo koikina Congress leader Rahul Gandhi logot milikina press conference loate Yadav pra itu claims kurishe
हवा चल रही है वो पूरे के पूरे उत्तर प्रदेश और देश के माहौल को बदलने जा रही है। आज गाजियाबाद में बैठे हैं। इस बार भारतीय जनता पार्टी को गाजियाबाद से लेकर के गाजीपुर तक इंडिया गठबंधन सफाया करने का काम करेगा। आज किसान दुखी है। तमाम जो वादे किए थे भारतीय जनता पार्टी की हर बात झूठी निकली, उनके वादे झूठे। न किसान की आय दोगुनी हुई, न नौजवान को नौकरी रोजगार मिला, और जो सपने दिखाए थे विकास के वो भी अधूरे हैं। जो इनका नैतिकता का बुलबुला था वो भी टूट गया। इलेक्टोरल बॉन्ड ने इनका बैंड बजा दिया। भारतीय जनता पार्टी सभी भ्रष्टाचारियों का गोदाम बन गई। न केवल भ्रष्टाचारियों को ले रहे हैं, बल्कि भ्रष्टाचारियों ने जो कमाया है उसको भी अपने साथ रख रहे हैं। इनका एक ही नारा है, झूठ बोलने का और लूटने का। लूट और झूठ भारतीय जनता पार्टी की पहचान बन गई है। इसलिए एक भी वोट बट ना पाए। जहां हमें मतदान करना है वहीं मतदान के दिन हमें सावधान भी रहना है। अगर हम सावधान मतदान करेंगे और अपने बूथ की चौकीदारी करेंगे तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी का सफाया होगा। आने वाले चुनाव में ये देश का चुनाव है। देश की जनता बदलाव चाहती है और बदलाव की हवा पश्चिम से उत्तर प्रदेश से चल रही है, और मुझे पूरा उम्मीद है आने वाले समय में इंडिया गठबंधन और नई सरकार देश में दिखाई देगी।
Gaza laga Al Maghazi refugee camp te Tuesday din strike hua pichede 13th Mono Morishi aro kunba jokam thusha. Hadsa para morade satta bacha se. Strike para jagade hamda hua pichede kunba mono to panic lash bukhi kina aro hala kuri kina para ulaishe. Al Aqsa Martyrs Hospital te jokam thui kina thakam tmano ke emergency room te lui jaishe aro patients can't bishi jama hui kina bhi dikhi paishe. Viewers, itya khane imani news ase updates kane saite ke bhi Nagaland TV.